Pinning a chat allows you to access important conversations quickly without scrolling through your list of messages. You can keep your most important chat at the top. Also, by pinning a chat, you can set a reminder for conversations that require a follow-up, ensuring that you stay on top of important discussion. Pinning chats also saves time when you need to send a quick message or check for updates in a specific conversation. So guys, today I will guide you on how to pin chats on WhatsApp for iPhone. Follow these easy steps to learn how to do so. Alright, open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat tab if you are not already there. Now locate the chat you want to pin, and what you want to do is to swipe right on the chat. Do not swipe too far, just a gentle swipe is enough. So just swipe right like this, and you can see the option to pin and to mark the message as unread. So you just tap on pin with a push pin icon. You can see it, tap on it, and as you can see, the chat has moved to the top. This chat will be on top of other chats in your chat screen. So guys, you can pin up to 3 chats. If you wish to unpin this chat, you can also swipe right, follow the same process, just swipe right gently, and you can see the option unpin. You can do other things to the chat. You can swipe left, you can see the option archived. When you tap on more, you can see the option to mark as unread, to block or report this particular contact. So to pin a chat on iPhone, just swipe right gently and tap on pin. The chat comes up. To unpin it, swipe right and tap on unpin. And that is it guys. This is how you can pin a chat on iPhone, and your important chats will stay at the top for easy access. And that is a wrap for this video guys. It's very easy. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to TechSoft YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching guys. Bye and see you in the next video.